hopefully next week when the buttons arrive I shall be able to start on the ceiling, and then once the weather is much warmer I want to get the max air fan in and fitted, then run all the cables for the electrics, then start placing all the internal lighting. Please like and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.